G1 was the first model. A1 means two, one receiver, one transmitter. If you bought the G1 A2, you would get one receiver, two transmitters. So that was the previous model. This is the newer model with the digital screen, tells you power, if it's working, it's recording, how much battery and so on. This is the G2 A1, one receiver, one transmitter. And if you bought the G2 A2, you'd get one receiver, two transmitters. All right, so just gonna do an unboxing of this guy, see what you get inside and what it comes with. I did order one and it had a couple of bits missing. So person at the factory forgot to put the windshield in for that, and one of the cables was missing. All right, so let's go ahead and open this. Lovely box, mainly matte finish with these areas raised and glossy. Looks quite nice. So you've got the front, top, bottom, back, side, nice premium packaging. So on the back it tells you what you get: one receiver, one transmitter, one carry case, one lavalier microphone with a clip, windshield for the mic, for the lavalier mic. No, that windshield is for this transmitter, by the way. 2-in-1 charging cable, so USB and the other two ends can charge both of those devices together. You've got 3.5mm TRS camera cable 1, 3.5mm TRRS phone cable 1, and the eject pin, or I think it's actually a reset pin in this case. So let's go ahead and open this. Nothing else inside. Put that to one side. You've got a quick startup user manual in many languages, I think. Maybe not. Nope, it's all in English. Good. Case, lovely hard case. Looks good, feels good. Nice little arrow, pointy head. So you've got your receiver here, nothing underneath. Nice lining, transmitter here. Right. So that sits there. One pack, two packs. Anything else in here? Nope. Okay. Let's open these boxes up. Let's open these packets up. What we got inside? Oh, be careful. So that's the lavalier windshield foam. There, don't lose that. In here we got, we got the transmitter windshield this time, or some people call it dead cat. Now it's important because it's got a special clip designed there to clip on. So that's there. Good. You've got a clip for the lavalier wire microphone to be attached, and that clip is already attached there. Nice. In here is all your cables. There you go. Let's check. Nothing else on the inside. Good. So what we got? This is your 2-in-1 charging, so normal USB and two USB-C to charge both of those at the same time. Lovely, looks good quality. You've got your TRS, RRS cable 1 here, and there's another one here. So without the initials, it's much easier. 3 rings, that one, and this one is 3 rings here and 4 rings here, because some of the phones, they need the four rings. And then you've got your lavalier microphone here. Okay, so that's what comes in the G2 A1. Hope that you found this video helpful, guys, and if you're thinking of buying this is a budget, supposed to be excellent microphone for the price. And if you get for the A2, then you'll have 2 transmitters and 2 people can record mono, stereo and so on. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Quick video, Everything and anything I'll be uploading on. Let me know if you use a wireless microphone, and if you need any help with anything. I'd love to hear from you guys. Until then, take care. Bye for now.